Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is an introduction to the next bricks build we are going to be doing, and this is yoga flow. So we are going to be building this from start to end. So it's more like a complete build, all the pages inclusive. So let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to be building this all with Bricks Builder. So if you're not subscribed, get subscribed so you don't miss a notification on when we start building this for all of the videos we'll be doing and for more tutorials from this. That's the home page. So this is the full site, home page, classes page, detail classes page, instructors page, instructor details page, blog pages, article pages, about us pages, contact us pages, landing page, change log page, privacy and policy, terms and conditions. Yeah, so we're going to be building all of this, every single page. I'm going to be building every single system to make this scalable and maintainable. From dynamic posts to custom post types to good design framework. We're going to be doing every single thing. I'm very, very sure you don't want to miss it. So our stack is going to include Bricks Builder, Advanced Themer, and Code to Bricks. If there are more stack, if there's any other plugin that's going to be added to the stack, you'll know. I forgot to mention one, Bricksforge. So Bricks Builder, Advanced Themer, Bricksforge, and Code to Bricks. And yes, this video is proudly sponsored by Code to Bricks. So Code to Bricks helps you build with code inside the build that you love, and that's Bricks. So basically, you can write your code and get it converted to the struct, and it gives you the structure, or you put in your structure and it gives you the code. Clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, live CSS editor, live auto sync. I'm very, very sure you would love this plugin, and we'll be using it during the course of this tutorial. So stay tuned. We start in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye-bye.